Right now at 6 o'clock, these fair housing advocates hit the streets of Jacksonville neighborhoods today as part of an effort to make affordable housing accessible. That effort is getting a financial boost with a big check from the federal government.
We know affordable housing, that's a major issue in our community, specifically its scarcity, and there are also concerns about fair housing. News4Jax reporter Jim Pickett spent the day with several groups that are trying to tackle these problems head on.
Fair and affordable housing, big issues here in Jacksonville. And what's happening behind me here, these are members that are here at a seminar from the Jax Legal Aid, which just received over $500,000 from HUD for programs to help with fair housing and affordable housing here in Jacksonville. They're out in the La Villa area now looking to see what's available and what some of the programs are going to be. We're going to find out more. This group is looking at La Villa in downtown Jacksonville. There's a lot of history here, but that history also includes discrimination in the past by the government when it comes to housing and who can live where. Jacksonville Area Legal Aid, as part of the Fair Housing Month, is out here learning about that history and hopes to make changes.
We know that the way our city looks today is a result of intentional government action that has lasted for decades. And if we want to have a different city, if we want to have a city that works for everybody, we've got to focus on the locations. We've got to focus on our history so that we can change our future.
And to help with that, Jacksonville Area Legal Aid was just awarded over $500,000 from federal HUD to help do just that.
It enables us to fund our investigative work, and then it enables us to fund our litigation work when we go to court on these sorts of cases.
We've been hearing the horror stories people have been having with housing, now homeless when they thought they were doing okay.
People are being evicted, people are being locked out of their homes, and people are being priced out of their homes in just, countless measures.
It's become more serious as different things are happening with mortgages and correct and things like that people just can't get help.
Right, and the other thing that people don't realize about it is that an eviction case can be filed against you wrongly. And so once you have an eviction filing on your record, what happens then is that goes with you forever, essentially, in Duval County, and you can't rent a home.
The events today are not the end. In fact, this weekend, the Jacksonville Human Rights Commission is hosting a Fair Housing Expo where anyone can learn about the housing issues and solutions. Jimmy Mignette is helping oversee the event.
So for me, the biggest thing right now is just the question of affordable housing. We are absolutely in a housing crisis in the city.
But this all comes down to those who need help with housing. I was at the Housing Authority offices today talking to clients like Cheryl Williams, who hopes these programs will do some good. The current administration is dealing with the problem.
I would certainly hope so, especially where our homeless population is concerned.
Right.
They have a lot of money, federal money, for these programs, and it's so much different up north than it is here in the Deep South.
And things are getting better, at least for you.
It is.
But for many others, it's not, and that's what they hope to help improve. Jim Pickett, Channel 4, the local station.